5 minutes. A small shred of time that can either be wasted or used to completely change your life for the better. This could very easily pass you by scrolling on your phone, watching TV, making some coffee, or even meditating. It's such a short amount of time that so many people underestimate the power of it. So what if I told you that there was actually a way to change your life in just 5 minutes per day? Would you take action on it? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly the formula that you can now implement into your life to change your life in just 5 minutes per day. The decisions you make in a 5-minute period could be the deciding factor on whether or not you live a happy and fulfilled life, or if you live a miserable life full of regrets. The way it works is that as time goes on, 5 minutes every day becomes more influential on your life. So the way you use that 5-minute period every single day becomes more and more important. 5 minutes every single day for 1 month is just shy of 3 hours, and 5 minutes every single day for 1 year is 76 hours. So you see, if you do something for 5 minutes every single day for 1 year, you're going to make some pretty good progress. However, if you use those 5 minutes every single day to do something unproductive like scrolling on your phone or watching Netflix, then you're gonna be wasting around 76 hours of your time. This technique is called compounding, which is the action of small daily habits that over time build up, which lead to much bigger results. The goal is not trying to make a massive change in your daily routine instantly, but rather a gradual slice of your day every single day consistently is going to get you much better results, and you're going to stay more consistent with it, and the results are going to be much better. The goal is not trying to change something dramatically in your day straight away, but rather a slice of your day every single day and putting that towards something that will benefit you in the future. The key here being your consistency. Whatever goal you have, whatever task you want to get better at, make it your goal every single day to do it for just 5 minutes per day. After 5 minutes of doing that task, similar to the 2-minute rule that I've mentioned in a previous video, you are free to stop doing that task completely and do something else. But what you often find is that once you've started, you may as well keep going, and you'll feel like you've wasted your time because it's only 5 minutes. So you'll most often feel like you want to keep going and keep making progress towards that goal. But this only works if you don't put pressure on yourself to keep going after those 5 minutes. Only say every single day, I'm only going to do this for 5 minutes, no longer, no less, just 5 minutes, and then see how you feel after those 5 minutes. What I want you to do is every time you find yourself procrastinating, I want you to swap out that procrastinating task for something that you want to work towards for 5 minutes, and do it for 5 minutes. This way you're swapping out a bad habit and swapping it in for a good one. With every day comes new choices. I want you to start making better choices, and choices that are going to start benefiting you in the future, not right now. Now I'm going to give you 4 5-minute habits that you could start trying out right now. Number 1, meditation. Meditation is the perfect 5-minute habit to try out at the start because it comes with so many benefits, like finding your sense of belonging and finding your inner peace, clearing your head, and lowering your stress levels. It's an amazing tool that you can start utilizing to help with your mental health. Once you start meditating, you'll find that it has a positive domino effect on other aspects of your life. Number 2, exercising and moving your body. Doing this for 5 minutes doesn't seem like it's worth your time or for very long, which it's not, but it does add up over time and will lead to some good results if you stay consistent with it every single day. The 5-minute rule that I have just explained also gives you the opportunity to do it multiple times per day, so you don't feel like you're just wasting your time. Doing things like going for a walk outside, stretching, or even playing a sport for 5 minutes will instantly help you improve your mood and clear your mind, ready to go back to work after those 5 minutes. Number 3, journaling. This could include your goals for the future, 3 things you're grateful for that day, or just a simple to-do list. Journaling is a great way to plan and organize your day, and so you're constantly thinking about your goals so that you can get to them quicker and more efficiently. It's also going to give you something to look back on over the years. Once you have written it down and you keep them, you can look back on it after a year or two and see how much progress you made, see how much you've changed, and what you have actually achieved. Number 4, research. Doing research on a particular topic for 5 minutes per day is actually going to rapidly increase your knowledge on that subject, whether that be reading a book, surfing the internet, or watching a YouTube video. There is always more knowledge to gain from other people so that on your journey, it can be more efficient and faster. All of these habits are great habits to start out with for the 5 minutes per day, but I would recommend only using one of them at the start so you don't overwhelm yourself with all of these new habits. Just start with one, make that part of your daily routine, and then you can add in another one as time goes on. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. Hope you got tremendous value from it. If you did, go down, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, click here to watch my latest video. I'll see you in the next one.